Happy morning to all my students. Students, I hope you all are well. Students, in our last video or in our last lecture, we have started with the chapter Changes Around Us. And in that, we have learned about physical and chemical changes and how we can categorize the changes as reversible and irreversible. Okay, now in that, I want to tell you something about the chemical changes. That in chemical changes, there is a chemical known as catalyst. Catalyst we oftenly use in chemical reactions. What do this catalyst do? It just increases the rate of doing the reaction. Okay, like if there is some reaction which takes about 2 to 3 days to complete, then in the presence of catalyst it will be able to complete in hardly 5 hours 6 hours. Okay, so to decrease the span of completion of a reaction, what do we use? Catalyst. Okay, it is also a chemical substance. Now moving further in the chapter, the next topic that we are going to do is expansion and contraction. So before doing the topic, we should know that what is an expansion and what is contraction. Expansion is becoming bigger. When something expands, जब कोई चीज़ अपना साइज बड़ा कर लेती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्सपेंशन. एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन when something becomes small, when something reduces its size, it is called contraction. Okay, now most of the materials, they expand on heating. Means when you heat it, the substance expands and it contracts on cooling. और जब आप उसको ठंडा करते हो तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, mercury in thermometer. Now mercury in thermometer is based on the principle that when you just put the thermometer in your mouth, if your body is at higher temperature, then with the heat of your body, the mercury present in the bulb of the thermometer, it expands because it takes the heat of your body, so it expands and fill the tube present in the thermometer. It just fills the capillary. See, like this is the thermometer. In the thermometer there is a very small tube, very thin tube. That thin tube is known as capillary. उस tube को हम क्या कहते हैं? Capillary. So mercury is present in the bulb which is at the front. So when you just put this end in your mouth, the heat of your body let the mercury expand, and mercury, it fills the capillary. Okay, so it means mercury is filled in the thermometer because it just expands on heating. Okay, next, cables at the poles. Now you must have seen that at the poles, the cables in the summers, they just swing like this, and in the winters they got tightened like this. Okay, and there is some gap at the जो पोल होता है बेटा, उस पर उसको थोड़ा लूज छोड़ा होता है, लाइक ऐसे लूप बना के they just have kept the cable loose. Why so? Because in the summers the rubber on the cable, it expands, and in the winters it contracts and become stiff. If it is not done, like अगर उन्होंने ये नहीं छोड़ा होगा, then the cable will snap. What is the meaning of snap? Snap means when something gets cleaved or something breaks suddenly. Okay, because of the tension in the wire. Okay, then the next is railway tracks. Now where the principle of expansion and contraction is used in the railway tracks, you must have seen that, like if these are the two railway tracks, then there is some gap here, and then a railway track, then there is some gap. Now this gap which is left in the railway tracks, this is because railway tracks are made up of iron, and iron expands in summers and contracts in winter, because in the summers, because of the sun's heat, the metal, it got heat up and the molecules present in it got expanded. So अगर उन्होंने स्पेस नहीं छोड़ी होगी तो there will be bulges, ऐसे bulge हो जाएगा मेटल आपका. Okay, and then it will lead to accidents. because this track, it should be plain to run the train smoothly. Okay, students, so this is the application of contraction and expansion in railway tracks. Okay, so to proceed further, I have written here why. Like I have explained you all this, but is the meaning of expansion and contraction still very much clear in your mind? Like why do it happens? Why on heating a substance expands? Why? So this is because when you heat a substance, the particles present in it, suppose I am having some substance and in it the particles are like this. They are somehow closely packed. Okay. Fine. Now when I give heat to the system, the particles, they will gain the heat or they will gain the kinetic energy. So the heat absorbed by the particle will be converted into the kinetic energy of the particles. Kinetic energy, I told you in the last class, kinetic energy is the energy which is there in a particle because of its motion. Okay, so when the substance takes the heat, the molecules gain kinetic energy and they start moving more randomly. Now, if this particle takes the energy and starts moving more randomly, it will take more space, of course. Because if you are standing on one position, you will take less space. But if you keep on moving, then you will take more space. More space means more volume. More volume means expansion. Okay, so in this way, the particles or any substance, it expands on heating. And when you cool down a particle, you just takes its energy. अगर कोई एनर्जी ले लेगा तो फिर क्या होगा, उस पार्टिकल की एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी एंड इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू मूव. और अगर वो मूव नहीं करेगा देन इट विल टेक अ स्मॉलर डिस्टेंस. ओके, एंड हेंस द सब्सटेंस विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Okay students, now moving to the next example. This is fixing an iron rim onto a wooden wheel. अब आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जो वुडन व्हील होता है उसके ऊपर रिम चढ़ा होता है आयरन का ना. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? फर्स्टली व्हाट दे यूज टू डू इज, जो आयरन रिम होता है ना, इट इज़ मेड स्लाइटली स्मॉलर दैन द वुडन व्हील. ओके, फिर क्या किया जाता है, व्हेन द रिम इज हीटेड, उसको थोड़ा सा गर्म किया जाता है, देन द आयरन ऑफ इट जस्ट एक्सपैंड्स एंड इट स्लिप्ड ओवर टू द आउटर एज ऑफ द व्हील. जो व्हील का आउटर एज होता है ना, जिसमें जगह छोड़ी होती है रिम के लिए, वो उसमें स्लिप कर जाता है आयरन रिम. ओके, एंड दस इट गेट्स फिटेड. जब वो ठंडा होता है, इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड इट फिट्स इनटू इट प्रॉपरली. Okay, so on heating it expands and it becomes soft, so it can be put into the space which is there in the wooden wheel. Okay, but when it just gets cooled down, it contracts and it just takes the space firmly. Fine. Then I have written one more example for you, that is riveting. Now what is riveting? Riveting is the process, like you must have seen that if some metallic plates are there, then there is one nail which is like, the top is like this, but here it is not pointed, it is completely flattened. So what is done, जो metallic nail होता है उसको इसमें insert किया जाता है और इधर से hammer से उसको tap करके flat कर दिया जाता है, so that ये यहाँ से बाहर ना आए. Now how that metallic nail is inserted, that is inserted like, firstly the metallic nail जो होता है, जो जिसको आप क्या कहते हो, राइवेट. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट एज राइवेट? फर्स्टली द राइवेट इज हीटेड. व्हेन इट बिकम्स रेड hot, it is allowed to pass through the aligned hole. Like I am having this metallic strip and I am having this metallic strip. Here it is hole, here it is hole. So both holes are firstly aligned on each other, and then the red hot rivet is allowed to pass through it and it's tapped from the other hand. So because of which it just fixes properly into it and hold the metallic plates firmly. So in this way, the process of expansion and contraction is used in various phenomena in our daily life. Okay students, I hope this concept of expansion and contraction is very much clear to you. Next we will do in the next video. Thank you students.